How to use Walgreens Beauty Rewards feature. To use the Walgreens Beauty Rewards feature, first things first, you must enroll in the free myWalgreens loyalty program to automatically earn Walgreens Cash on cosmetics and access the specialized beauty savings events. So, to enroll to this rewards program, you simply have to launch the free mobile application, or go ahead and tap on this web browser or open any web browser of your choice, then go to Walgreens reward page. Now once you find the official website, all you have to do is go ahead and then enter your active mobile number during the setup and also fill out your profile. Then you simply have to now browse the coupon section. From there, you can also filter it by the category, clip your offers, and you can also find promo codes. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.